Hey guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and let me show you how to remove Google account from this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select accounts and backup and click on manage accounts at the top of the list. Here you will notice the account that you want to remove, then tap on remove account and confirm that you wish to do it by tapping on remove account. Now it's time to confirm your decision. Click on OK and then provide either your fingerprint or pattern, whatever you have. Let me try. Okay, not this finger, sorry. Just like this. Wakey. Okay, so it has been done. And this is it. This is how you can remove Google account from this phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.